Are you a beginner in the world of blogging? Or are you someone searching for low-competition niches with high traffic potential? Well, look no further, because today we're going to talk about the top 50 best blogging niches for 2024. This video is going to provide you with all the information you need to choose the right niche for your blog. So grab a pen and paper, because you're going to want to take notes. The first step to blogging success is choosing the right niche. But why is it so important? Well, let me tell you. When you choose a niche that you're passionate about and have expertise in, it becomes easier to create valuable content for your audience. This leads to a stronger connection with your readers and ultimately more success in the blogging world. But the blogging landscape has evolved over the years. What worked in the past may not work anymore. That's why it's crucial to stay updated with the latest trends and preferences of your target audience. By doing so, you can tailor your content to meet their needs and expectations. Now, let's talk about what makes a niche low competition but high traffic. A low competition niche is one that hasn't been saturated by other bloggers. This means there are fewer competitors, giving you a better chance to stand out and attract readers. On the other hand, a high traffic niche is one that has a large audience base. This means there are plenty of people searching for content related to that niche, increasing your chances of gaining traffic to your blog. Now that we understand the importance of choosing the right niche, let's dive into the top 50 best blogging niches for 2024. In the category of health and wellness, we have several promising niches. Niche 1, mental health for busy professionals, caters to the needs of professionals looking for tips and advice on how to maintain their mental well-being in a fast-paced work environment. Niche 2, home workouts for beginners, is perfect for those who want to start their fitness journey from the comfort of their own homes. Niche 3, healthy eating on a budget, provides valuable information on how to eat nutritious meals without breaking the bank. Niche 4, holistic wellness for moms, focuses on the well-being of mothers, both physically and mentally. And Niche 5, sleep optimization tips, offers insights and strategies to improve sleep quality for those struggling with insomnia or other sleep-related issues. Personal finance is another popular category for blogging. Niche 6, budgeting for millennials, helps young adults manage their finances and achieve financial stability. Niche 7, passive income ideas for 2024, provides valuable insights into various ways to generate passive income. Niche 8, investing in cryptocurrencies, is perfect for those interested in the world of digital currencies. Niche 9, minimalist living for financial freedom, focuses on the concept of minimalism and its financial benefits. And Niche 10, debt-free living tips, offers practical strategies to get out of debt and achieve financial freedom. In the category of technology and gadgets, we have niches that cater to the tech-savvy audience. Niche 11, AI tools for small businesses, provides information on the latest artificial intelligence tools that can benefit small businesses. Niche 12, smart home devices reviews, offers detailed reviews of smart home devices, helping readers make informed purchasing decisions. Niche 13, cybersecurity for remote workers, focuses on cybersecurity measures for individuals working remotely. Niche 14, beginner's guide to Web3, offers a comprehensive introduction to Web3 technology. And Niche 15, affordable tech for students, provides budget-friendly tech recommendations for students. Travel is a popular niche for bloggers, and we have some exciting niches in this category. Niche 16, solo female travel guides, offers valuable tips and advice for female solo travelers. Niche 17, sustainable travel tips, focuses on sustainable travel practices and responsible tourism. Niche 18, off the beaten path destinations, provides recommendations for unique and lesser-known travel destinations. Niche 19, digital nomad life, caters to those who are interested in working remotely while traveling the world. And Niche 20, budget travel hacks, offers money-saving tips and tricks for budget travelers. In the category of lifestyle and fashion, we have niches that appeal to individuals interested in personal style and home decor. Niche 21, capsule wardrobe essentials,
provides guidance on
building a versatile and minimalist wardrobe. Niche 22, DIY home decor, offers creative and affordable DIY home decor ideas. Niche 23, clean beauty products reviews, focuses on reviewing and recommending clean and natural beauty products. Niche 24, sustainable fashion, trends highlights the latest trends in sustainable fashion. And Niche 25, minimalist lifestyle, tips offers tips and advice for simplifying and decluttering your life. Education and learning is a niche that has gained popularity in recent years. Niche 26, online learning resources, provides recommendations for online learning platforms and resources. Niche 27, homeschooling tips for parents, offers valuable insights and advice for parents who choose to homeschool their children. Niche 28, study hacks for college, students, provides effective study techniques and time management strategies for college students. Niche 29, learning a new language, caters to individuals interested in learning a new language. And Niche 30, coding for beginners, offers resources and guidance for beginners interested in coding and programming. Food and drink is a niche that never goes out of style. Niche 31, vegan recipes for busy people, offers easy and delicious vegan recipes for individuals with busy lifestyles. Niche 32, home brewing guides, provides step-by-step guides and tips for brewing your own beer at home. Niche 33, quick and easy meal preps, offers time-saving meal prep ideas for individuals who want to eat healthy without spending hours in the kitchen. Niche 34, gluten-free baking, caters to individuals with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease who still want to enjoy baked goods. And Niche 35, healthy smoothie recipes, provides recipes and tips for creating nutritious and delicious smoothies for those interested in home and garden. We have some interesting niches as well. Niche 36, urban gardening for beginners, offers guidance for individuals living in urban areas who want to start their own gardens. Niche 37, interior design on a budget, provides tips and tricks for decorating your home without spending a fortune. Niche 38, DIY home improvement projects, offers step-by-step guides for various DIY home improvement projects. In Niche 39, sustainable living at home, focuses on eco-friendly practices that can be implemented in daily life. And Niche 40, small space organization, provides organization tips and storage solutions for individuals living in small spaces. Entertainment and pop culture is a niche that has a dedicated following. Niche 41, podcast reviews and recommendations, offers reviews and recommendations for popular podcasts across various genres. Niche 42, movie and TV show analysis, provides in-depth analysis and discussions of movies and TV shows. Niche 43, celebrity lifestyle insights, focuses on the lifestyles and experiences of celebrities. Niche 44, comic book reviews, offers reviews and recommendations for comic books across different genres. And Niche 45, music industry news, provides updates and insights into the music industry. Last but not least, we have the category of business and marketing. Niche 46, social media marketing tips, offers valuable tips and strategies for leveraging social media platforms for business growth. Niche 47, startups for beginners, provides guidance and resources for individuals interested in starting their own businesses. Niche 48, e-commerce growth hacks, focuses on strategies to grow and scale e-commerce businesses. Niche 49, personal branding strategies, offers insights and tips for building a strong personal brand. And Niche 50, freelancing tips and tools, provides resources and advice for individuals interested in freelancing. There you have it, the top 50 best blogging niches for 2024. I hope this video has given you some inspiration and clarity on which niche to choose for your blog. Remember, choosing the right niche is the first step to blogging success. So go ahead and explore these niches, find what resonates with you, and start creating valuable content that will attract readers and drive traffic to your blog. Good luck on your blogging journey.